Hey guys, my name is Rajan, and in honor of the DCM's 10th birthday celebration, I'm taking over the programming video today. We've got a lot of cool activities and fun programming coming at you in honor of the DCM's 10th birthday celebration on April 24th. Be sure to check it out. If you're one of my special birthday people out there, I wish you a happy birthday and I hope you have an amazing day. Today, I've got a fun activity for you. Sure to bring all the kids to the yard. It's fun, it's simple. You may have played with it at the DCM. You may have even read a Dr. Seuss book on it. If you haven't guessed it yet, it's ooey, it's gooey, it's messy, oh my, it's Oobleck, or as I like to call it, Oobleck. Super simple, you probably already have the ingredients in your house. So without any further ado, let's see what we need. We need a container to make our Oobleck in. We need cornstarch, 2 parts cornstarch for every 1 part water that you use. Alright, so how do we make this Oobleck? All we do is put all of our ingredients in the container and we mix it all about. Let me take you guys on a video demonstration pointing out the key concepts behind Oobleck. Alright everyone, our video demonstration. So in this bowl here, I have measured out 2 cups of cornstarch. Go ahead and pour that in your bowl. Alright, and then next would be water. So if we have 2 cups of cornstarch, we're going to need 1 cup of water. I have here a half a cup, so we will need 2 of these. There's 1, and here's 2. Alright, so the next step is just dig in. Get in there, mix it all about. So right now we are creating a non-Newtonian fluid. So non-Newtonian, what does that mean? A substance that has properties of both a solid and a liquid and doesn't follow the usual rules of viscosity. So viscosity is resistance to flow. Non-Newtonian fluids depend on a factor other than temperature to determine their ability to be poured. So when the water and the cornstarch react, when mixed, water is a liquid and cornstarch is a solid in powder form. When mixed, they form a non-Newtonian fluid that has properties of both a solid and a liquid, depending on how much pressure is applied to it. So you really want to get deep in there. You want to get all the corners and not like make a mess like I'm doing. So if it starts to crinkle like this, it's a little bit too dry and it just needs a little bit more water. You know that it's ready when you can put force on it and it's a solid, but when you let go of it, it's a liquid. So right now I have a good combination, and actually when I pick it up, you see it's a solid. I can roll it into a ball, but when you let go of it, it's a solid. Alright, so I have a couple questions for you that you can figure out with your Oobleck. How does the Oobleck act when you squeeze it, when you hit or slap it? If you touch the Oobleck slowly, does your hand sink to the bottom? Is it a little tough to pull your hand out? When you squeeze it, does it seep through your fingers? Those are some questions that I have for you. And if you want to message us back and let us know how your cornstarch came out, be sure to use our hashtag DCMis10. Thank you guys for watching today, and I hope you guys learned something. Happy birthday, DCM, and happy birthday to any of my special people out there. Thank you.